Make changes to a flow, track its history, and ensure your workflow is error-free before running it with flow versioning. Start by creating a new flow. This way, you create its first version. The version number is displayed on the Flow Creation tabs. To make your first flow version live, click the Send button and select how you'd like to run your flow. You can send it to recipients, schedule an auto start, or share your flow via a link. The moment you run your flow, the first slate will be created and the first flow version will be published automatically. Changing the published flow version will trigger the creation of a new flow version. Open the Documents tab to edit the existing documents and add or create more documents. You can also rename, copy, or remove the document. When you try to do any of these actions, a pop-up message will appear notifying you about the creation of a new flow version. Changing the workflow elements will also result in the creation of a new flow version. On the Workflow tab, you can add or delete workflow steps, modify their order, and change settings. In the same way, you can add or delete branches and change their settings. By modifying bots, you also trigger the creation of a new flow version. On the Bots tab, you can add, disable, or enable bots, remove them, and change settings or their order. When you've finished making changes, confirm the creation of the new flow version. Once created, the new flow version is considered unpublished. You can save and close it, or go back to it later. Then, select Go to Unpublished Version Number. To ensure the new flow version is error-free, send it as test before publishing. Enter test emails and send the unpublished version as a test to see if it works as expected. If you don't need the unpublished flow version, click Delete Version. If you have test slates, you will be asked to delete them before publishing the new flow version. When you're ready to apply all changes, click Publish. To easily navigate between the versions, click the Manage Flow button and select Version History. There can only be one published and one unpublished flow version at a time. You will see the current flow version and can view any previous versions by clicking the View button. To see when and who is responsible for creating, publishing, or changing specific flow versions, select Flow's Audit Trail. Each event is displayed in the Flow's Audit Trail and contains a link to the flow and its version. Use the search bar to find the flow version you need, or sort all flow versions by date. All the actions that you've taken on the flow versions are also displayed in your personal audit trail. To view it, open your profile and select the My Activity tab. If you'd like to track workspace activity, click the Workspace Audit Trail icon. Here you can check who did what and when in your workspace.